Let's go, Chef Swaggle. Yay. Let's go, Chef Swaggle. Yay. Let's go, Chef Swaggle.
No time to waste. Let's jump right into what we've got for today. Fettuccine pasta, oregano, black pepper, dry parsley, paprika, seasonings, white wine, fresh parsley, whipping cream, shrimps, chilies, Italian seasoning, salt, lobster, Parmesan cheese. Hello, swaggers. Welcome to my kitchen. Step right with me where flavor meets swag. Season the peeled shrimps with paprika, cayenne pepper, black pepper, salt, oregano, thyme. Use the food picker instead. Chef Swagger, that sound reminds me not again. I mean the food picker, not a spoon. Add the fettuccine pasta to the large pot of boiling salted water. In a large skillet, heat olive oil and butter over medium heat. Cook the pasta until al dente, about 8 to 10 minutes. Add onions. Stir. Shrimp, season with salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side until pink and curled. Now lobsters is next. Be cautious while cracking the lobster shell so you don't hurt your hands. Remove the shrimps and set aside when done. Apply the same method to the lobsters as you used for the shrimp. Those bits aren't burnt. Scrape them up. They're the real source of that rich flavor. Feel free to pan fry the lobsters in large pieces or slice them up, depending on how you like it. Normally, I prefer pan-fry the lobsters in large size, but I'm cutting them in pieces for this video. Drain, reserve half a cup of pasta water, and set aside. Remove the fried lobsters and set aside. Now, add a splash of white wine to deepen the flavor of your sauce. Those bits aren't burnt. Scrape them up. They're the real source of that rich flavor. Now time to add the cooked pasta, shrimps, lobsters, and all. First, add onions and whipping cream to the sauce. Don't forget the Parmesan cheese to make it cheesy and creamier. Yummy! When simmered, add pasta, shrimps, and lobsters. All right, foodies, let's settle this. Chicken Alfredo or shrimp and lobster Alfredo? Which side are you on? Garnish it with fresh parsley. It's now time to serve the table. Serve hot. You can top with extra Parmesan cheese, fresh parsley, and a light squeeze of lemon juice depending on your preference. Do you know, this combination of shrimp and lobster is low in calories and fat compared to red meat. Combining both provides a meal rich in protein, vitamins like B12 and D, and minerals like selenium and zinc, supporting muscle growth, brain health, and immune function. Pair this creamy shrimp and lobster Alfredo with a chilled bottle of white wine, vitamin water, or a sparkling lemonade. It's indulgent, luxurious, and absolutely unforgettable. Glutton! What did you just call him? Do you know? The health benefits of this Alfredo pasta primarily come from the seafood lean protein, while the traditional Alfredo sauce can be very high in saturated fat, calories, and sodium. I said glutton.
Stop cutting through corners. Call him names with your full chest and stop beating around the bush.